Hi everyone, welcome back to day 5 of 45 days of DAX challenge. I am Amit and today I am going to discuss summarize function in DAX. So in detail we will understand what is summarize function and where we should use summarize function in Power BI. So let's jump to Power BI desktop and see what we can do with summarize function. And if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. And going forward, comment in the comment section which DAX function you want to learn on day 6. So without any further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop. So here we are at Power BI desktop. So I have one sales table, and in sales table I have few columns that are nothing but order ID, region, product, category, sales amount, quantity and order date. So what I want is I want to calculate the sales amount for each region. For example, if here is East, again order ID 1003 is East, again order ID 1006 is East. So I want to calculate the total amount, total sales amount for East column. Similarly for West column, similarly for North and South. So in short, I want to group by. I want to group by the column based on region. So if I tell you the definition of summarize function, so summarize function is nothing but group by in SQL. So if you are familiar with group by in SQL, then understanding summarize function will be very easier to you. Okay. So that is the basically basic definition of summarize function and what summarize function does. So let's start to work with summarize function. So first remember, if you are working with summarize function, so it will generate a new table after grouping based on based on the column, like which column you want to group. Okay, so it will generate a new table. So what I'll do is I'll go on home. Okay, and then we have one button of new table, sorry. So I'll click on new table. So the table name I'll say is, let's say, region by sales. Okay, region by sales equal to, I want to use summarize function, summarize. So it is asking first is table, so table name. So table name we have is sales table. Okay, next it is wanting group by column 1, like on which column you want to group by. So I want on a region column of sales table, so I'll do is region. Okay, second is asking like group by column 2. If you want to group by on another column, okay, then you can provide. I'll discuss this a bit later, so please bear with me. Okay, but as of now I'll group by based on only one column. So after that, here group by column 2. Then if you could see here, name 1 is nothing but you want to give the name of the newly generated column. So I'll say total sales. See, when I wrote total sales, the new name 1 is highlighting. Okay, name 1, why? Because this sales region is group column 1. And next is expression 1. Expression 1 is like what I want to group, like which column. So basically I want to add amount column. So I'll say sum of amount, sales amount. Okay, so if I press this, see, we got we are able to group the region based on east, west, south and north. So for east column we have 460, for west we have 280, for south we have 120 and for north we have 200. Fine. Okay, so this was when we are using one column. Let's say I want to use two column. So what I'll do is, no, I do not want to new column, I want new table. Again I'll say region 2 sales, okay, equal to summarize, table name is sales table. Okay, first I want to group by region. Okay, so region Second column we have, as you could see here, is category. So I want to, let's say, group by using category. They are again asking for column 3, but we are not using column 3 as of now. And name, let's say, I'll say total sales. Again, not an issue, we can use. And the last is asking for expression. So expression, I want sum of what? Sum of sales amount. Sum of sales amount. See, we are able to group using two columns. First one is region wise and again category wise. Here we have only one category, that is a stationery. As you could see here, we have only one category, a stationery. Okay, that's the why like there is no change in the data. But let's say if I group using by product, so in place of category I'll say product. See what is the output we have. See, for East pen, when like region is East and product is pen, then total sales is 150. So see, when region is East, product is pen, is sales amount is 150. Likewise for each and every respective for region and product, we will get the total sales amount. I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt into the comment section. Definitely I'll reply to each and everyone. And yeah, if you are a data aspirant and looking for job change, and or you are planning to switch your career into data field, then don't forget to join the Telegram group. Link is in the description. You can join. We will meet soon. Till then, take care, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.